हेलोस वेलकम। आज हम चेकआउट करने जा रहे हैं फीस्ट फैथम का एपिसोड 5 जिसका नाम है वुडबरी गेटवे। ऑलरेडी हम इसके 4 एपिसोड चेकआउट कर चुके हैं। होम अलोन, नॉर्वुड हिचहाइकर्स, हाउस एंड आयरन बार्क लुकआउट। अगर तुम लोगों ने नहीं देखे तो यार प्लेलिस्ट मिल जाएगी या तो वो सारी वीडियो मिल जाएगी तुम्हें मेरे चैनल पे। ऑलरेडी मैं खेल चुका हूँ ये चारों पार्ट एंड पूरी कंप्लीट कर चुके हैं। ऑल्दो अगर तुम चैनल पे नए हो तो प्लीज़ यार सब्सक्राइब टू दिस चैनल एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन कॉज यार तुम्हें हर वीडियो का अपडेट भी मिलता रहेगा। एंड शुरू करते हैं वीडियो को, चेकआउट करते हैं क्या है इस एपिसोड में। लेट्स कंटिन्यू फीस्ट फैथम एपिसोड 5 वुडबरी गेटवे December 8th. We are on my PC. Need a coffee to get done with the day. Sure. अरे इतना अंधेरा हो रखा है भाई। हेलो। I could just leave. मैं नहीं कर रहा लीव। ओके जाने ही नहीं दे रहा ये। यार एक तो ये फिल्म ग्रेन इतनी ज़्यादा होती है ना इस गेम में, बट अच्छी भी है यार, स्टोरीज होती हैं काफ़ी अच्छी खासी। हाँ नहीं लीव कर रहा, मैं एक्सप्लोर कर रहा हूँ। बाहर का नज़ारा तो एक गणा चुका भाई। कौन सी फ्लोर पे है भाई? हेलो, इधर क्या है? लिफ्ट है। अबे ठीक है, नहीं जा रहा यार, एक्सप्लोर तो करने दो। ये वेंडिंग मशीन, दैट्स अ किचन, दैट्स अनदर ऑफिस, रेस्ट रूम। जा सकता हूँ मैं उधर? As much I want to leave, I need a cup of coffee. अरे यार तेरे को कॉफ़ी दिलाते हैं, रुक जा भाई। कॉफ़ी फ्रिज, हाँ मिल्क चाहिए। That's ice cream ना, I don't think so that's ice cream. बट ठीक है यार, ऑफिस में ऐसा सब होता है, पेंट्री वगैरह, लाइक पेंट्री कहते हैं ना। Need empty cup to fill water. तो इससे करूँगा क्या मैं? ले भाई फेंक दिया। ओ खड़ा हुआ है। दैट्स अ कॉफी मशीन, नीडेड प्रिपेयर अ कप। आई नीड वाटर। लो भाई। अब इसमें क्या नीचे रख दिया। नीड अ कप कॉफी पॉट, ये ओके हो गया। अब हमारी कॉफी बन रही है। अरे चिप्स के पैकेट प्लीज। अरे पकड़ नहीं पाया इस बार। ओके नेवर माइंड, रख दो नीचे। नीड पुट लिड। स्ट्रॉ भी लेनी है मैडम जी। माई हैंड वर फुल। ओह दैट्स नॉट अ स्ट्रॉ, दैट्स अ स्ट्रॉ। ओके ये चीज़ें यहाँ काम नहीं करती। ये लड़की है, इसने जो जिस हिसाब से सिप ली है। हेलो यहाँ क्या चल रहा है? नीड टू यूज रेस्ट रूम। ओके वेट अ सेकेंड। ये क्या है? लाइक इट इजी टू गिव अप, थिंक अबाउट इट। यप दैट्स अ मोटिवेशन लाइक थॉट। डस्टबिन किधर? हवा ये फेंक दो। अबे क्या फर्क पड़ता है, ऑफिस में कोई है तो नहीं, यहीं फेंक दो। Who cares? बाथरूम चलते हैं भाई। ओके कंफर्म, वी आर अ वुमेन। वी आर नहीं, मतलब आई एम द वुमेन। अबे क्या गंदा सा बाथरूम। एक मिनट पहले चेक कर लूँ हर जगह। सब एक जैसे ही हैं। ओह व्हाट इज दिस? हाँ पड़ी हुई चीज़ है, फेंक दो। We are a woman. अबे बाहर what the fuck? अबे कौन है बे? इतनी रात को कौन आया ऑफिस एंड बाथरूम में? Space to get up. Boom. ए इसका वो नहीं चल रहा फ्लश। डरा दिया। Oh ma'am, sorry, I didn't know anyone was in here. अबे तू पागल है क्या? एकदम से मुंह के सामने आ गया ऐसा थोपड़ा सा लेके है? Seriously भाई, हार्ट अटैक दे दिया. I'm so sorry, shouldn't knock before I came in, but there isn't usual anyone in here this place. You shouldn't have knock. भाई seriously knock तो करना चाहिए भाई. और लड़कियों के बाथरूम में एकदम से. Again, I'm sorry, I'm usually do knock, but I am a little bit frustrated tonight. Must slipped my minds. किससे frustrated है भाई? Someone keep throwing coffee cups on the floor all over the office. It's been happening for a weeks. अरे मैं नहीं गिराया हेलो बट बता तो नहीं सकते अभी डंडा मारेगा गिरा के अभी डरा इसने. Well, I don't need to get back to do it. Don't want to be here all night picking up coffee cups. Have a good night. भाई इस asshole ने जो डराया है भाई legit. भाई गंदा डरा दिया. आ रहा हूँ मैं. मेरे डेस्क पे फोन बज रिया है. फोन. हाँ सीट पे बैठना जरूरी है. हेलो.
Hey Harp, it's Mike.
Hey Mike.
I've been trying to call your cell for the last 2 hours. It just keeps going to voicemail. Is everything all right?
Okay. मेरे को नहीं पता भाई बट कुछ भी बहाना मार देते हैं.
I was starting to think maybe you were ignoring me.
अगर कर रहा होता तो क्या पता मैं सही में कर रहा हूँ. Who knows?
I'm just kidding.
बट ठीक है डायरेक्टली नहीं बोल सकते ना. मैं भी कर रहा हूँ
what are you still
मैं.
doing
Who
at
knows?
work? It's
लड़कियों के मन में क्या
kinda
चल रहा है
late.
किसको क्या पता भाई. What are you still doing at work? It's getting already. Overtime कर रहा है
Damn,
भाई.
Harp, that sounds rough. Good thing I called to cheer you up.
भाई पैसा कमाने हैं.
About our trip, did you get a chance to book the rental house?
काम के बात करेंगे
I
भाई.
don't want to stress you out. As long as you book it tonight, I think it'll be fine.
All right.
Hey, I was, save on gas and relive the good old days. Just a little bit of Mike and Sydney time before Nora gets there.
Sounds
Great.
good.
I guess I'll let you get back to work then.
All right.
Oh, wait, one more thing. When you book the rental, please make sure to keep it under $100 a night. Nora and I were talking, and she's been on a pretty tight budget. Things haven't been going very well for her.
नो रहा भाई तू है टाइट बजट पे. ये तो गलत बात
It'll
है
be
ना.
just like the old college days. You always
कोई
had a
बात नहीं
knack
बता
for
सकता
finding
भाई
the
तू
best
मेरे को.
spots.
Okay.
Right, of course. Sorry for yapping. All right, talk to you.
अब समझ गए. मेरे को क्यों नींद आने लग गई भाई. वॉलपेपर तो गणा चोखा लगा रखा है. ब्राउन्सो. मैं सिर्फ ए दबा रहा हूँ और ये खुद भी लिखी जा रहा है. मैंने कुछ नहीं लिखा. क्या सर्च करना है. खुद ही लिखे जा रहा है भाई. मेरा तो कुछ काम ही नहीं है. कोई भी की प्रेस कर दो. 350 ना उसने $100 बोला है. 249 भी नहीं. 199 भी नहीं. ओ वाईफाई भी है. गार्डन भी. टीवी भी है. किचन भी है. फिशिंग भी है. पार्किंग भी है. सस्ते में बुक करो. और 2 रिव्यू भी थे. पढ़ लेता भाई. एक मिनट पैक जा सकता है. ओके नहीं जा सकता. प्रिंट करो. प्रिंट. Hey, I'm assuming you to get 100 if not 1000 of stories sent daily. So I give you a basic rundown for something that happened to me. I am sorry if someone of it writing weird but it was rushed. When I was in my early 20s, I worked at the big consulting firm in my city. Life at the firm was a constant juggling of deadline, client meeting and trying to prove my worth, which didn't leave me room for leisure, let alone a social life. The job paid well, sure, but at the expense of my mental peace. I am Sydney Harper, and this story takes place during one of those days. One of my college friend Mike suggests that we take a weekend getaway to Ruchel, Vermont, which sounds like a perfect break from the cycle work. Me and my other friend Nora was quick to jump on board as well. The plan was simple. We rented a small cabin, close our shift early on a Friday, leave and be back on Monday. Mike came to pick me up. ओके माइक मेरे को लेने आ रहा भाई 2 दिन बाद. 2 days later. समझ गए. अजीब सी क्रीपी सी शक्ल है भाई तेरी. तू जो भी खेल रहा है. हाँ भाई निंटेंडो है ये. स्विच काट दिया. ओके, पुलिंग आउट द डाउनस्टेयर्स। ओए ओए ओए, बच गया। वापस खोलो, वापस खोलो, वापस खोलो, बच गया भाई। क्या ये है गड्डी? क्या इधर सामान रखूं? वो कहाँ गया? ओए मेरा सामान कहाँ गया? मेरा सामान गायब हो गया। कैन आई गेट माई सामान बैक? भाई मैं सामान भूल गया थोड़ा। मैं नहीं ले सकता वो। आई हग करो, हग, लॉन्ग हग। You look good. So do you, Mike. Thanks for picking me up. This is all truck brings some back memories. Right, that is a bad boy has been through a lot. Exit. चलो। Just toss your bag back. We are got rolling. अरे मैं नहीं कर सकता, मेरे पास बैग ही नहीं है। मेरा बैग उधर है। चलना मदद करवा थोड़ी। I can't भाई, मैंने बैग फेंक दिया। मैंने बैग फेंक दिया भाई, ले भी नहीं सकता मैं। मैं तो चेक कर रहा था। कम ऑन यार, प्लीज भाई, मेरा बैग यहाँ पे है, प्लीज हेल्प मी। क्या मतलब रीस्टार्ट ही करनी पड़ेगी ये? कर तो दिया। अबे कर तो दिया। अबे क्या है? I did already do. Come on. I already did. Dumbass. अबे कर दिया है मैंने। कम ऑन यार। ठीक है, ये है मेरा बैग, दिख रहा है भाई, दिख रहा है। ओ एज, कम ऑन। कौन यार ऐसे करवाएगा अभी ये? अब मैं पिक भी नहीं कर सकता। वाह, डन। एसहोल। मैं बैग पिक नहीं कर पा रहा। ओ कर लिया। अब ठीक है भाई। तो ये क्या है? ये क्या है? ये क्या है? ये मेरा बैग नहीं है। मैं ऊपर कैसे? अब नीचे नहीं जा पा रहा मैं, अटक गया भाई। गेम डी ग्लिच है। माइक थोड़ी मदद करेगा भाई। Alright then, be ready to hit the road. Let's where's the Nora? She will meet us here. Alright then, the harp. Let's go. हाँ, मैं उधर से बैठूंगा भाई, मेरे को गड्डी चलानी थी बट नेवर माइंड। 4:26 PM। नींद आवे। फिगर अच्छा लग रहा है। Not one signal when you're out here this far. This was actually a gift from our co-worker Rick. Said he found it at garage sale and reminded him for somehow. It's a garbage spit, I guess. अरे बंद हो जा भाई, शोरी मचा दिया कतई। भाई 50 किलोमीटर पर आवर। तुमने कितने की स्पीड कर रखी है देखिए ना लो। What? Up isn't it where we used to escape our college and now we were here? Trying to escape from the life we wanted to live. Funny, that's how the work. Life ऐसे वर्क करती है भाई. Cringe is just hard, like trying to adjust to the new job. इसकी जॉब के बारे में पूछ लेते हैं. We are projecting are like your share. Yeah, I'm understood what consulting even do. I'm not sure. क्यों बताऊं भाई मैं अपनी जॉब का परमत्तर को. Do you miss college sometimes? I got a mixed feeling about. I'm glad about us. You know, me and Nora. हाँ ससुराई. इतने सारे messages. School bus. Do you see that? The school with the hole. अब ठीक है समझ गए. एक तो इसकी शक्ल अजीब सी भाई. ठीक है समझ गए तेरे को मेरे लिए फीलिंग है बट इसका मतलब ये थोड़ी ना. बहुत बेकार है. अजीब सा है तो बहुत ज़्यादा. फक यू सीरियसली. फ्रीक यू. कब पहुँचेंगे भाई. डियर रख गया था एक दिन से. It came out nowhere. I read on the internet that it Native America law seeing a deer it get apart like creating a message from the universe. अब ठीक है समझ गए लाइन मारने की कोशिश. गाइड तो गणी चौकी से ओल्ड ट्रक की है. और मेरे पैर किधर है? What the fuck? Where is my leg? Hello. How far it is now? It should be about an hour. Okay. Through the snow, kind of feel like travel to the intergalactic space. Guess look like the way snowflakes soil headline. It's like a stars and galaxy. अरे ठीक है ड्राम में जिप्सी बातें साइको. It's kind of beautiful. अरे समझ गए इम्प्रेस करने की कोशिश. Wah. 540. डेरी मार्ट. बस रिफ्लेक्शन आ रखी है यहाँ पे. यहाँ चेक दैट आउट. व्हाट? क्या चेक करो? वो मोटल है वो पिज़्ज़ा. ओह यही करना था. मोज पिज़्ज़ा. ऑलराइट मोज पिज़्ज़ा. हम पिज़्ज़ा खाने रुके. पिज़्ज़ा. You know how I got to tell you this new GPS system or something else. This pizza area is exactly where it appeared on my GPS. It's like living in a future. I'm so hungry, think I could eat a whole pizza myself. Me too. Alright then, Harp, Operation Pizza Pit Stop. Let's go. Prepare to land. अच्छा है थोड़ा kind of funny type है but ठीक है. Okay. HEM. अरे 4355. अमीर और रखी है भाई गणित चौकी. हो हम पैसे निकाल सकते हैं. ओके वेटिंग फॉर. अरे पैसे निकाल रहा हूँ खाने के लिए भाई. थैंक यू. ये बंदा तब से गेट खोल के खड़ा हुआ है मेरे लिए. ओके हाँ भाई घुस जा तू अंदर. Evening vlogs look like the cold gotcha. Everyone craving pizza tonight. You find vlogs now. What want to eat? Well, there's a 3 slices each. I go with pepperoni, cheese and veggies. And you मैं इसमें मार्गरीटा पसंद करता हूँ. एक more special and एक pepperoni. And drinks for folks. That should cover that pizza today. Thanks. Alright then 6 is coming right up. $22. मैंने $20 ही निकाला. What the fuck? $2 ये देगा। $2 citizens. Okay, I will wait. Ornament folks are right here. अबे ले ला पिज़्ज़ा। अबे हट रे। पिज़्ज़ास खान दो। Alright folks, all set, thank you. Pepperoni. Damn, this pizza slaps. Can't believe Nora is missing out this bomb. I know, right? Yeah, more special. Hey there, hello my friend. Hello there. I saw you pulling and driving the nice old truck. Are you just pulling and take notes? Not at all, my friend. I just noticed you seem to be heading the same direction I was. You'll mind if I hitch a ride with you? Where's your car? Who needs a car when there's a fine friend like you to pass the time with? You all wouldn't even know I was there, quite as a church mouse and twice as nice. So what do you say? Care to give this free spirit a ride down that snow red? भाई मेरे को नहीं पता, मेरी गाड़ी भी नहीं है। मैं चलो, you can find just a little bit of room for me. I can ride in a middle well. I ride in a bed. We would get a ride, but there is an space. It's my friend car, not mine. हाँ, उसकी कार है ना, मेरी थोड़ी ना। You gotta be sitting me, lady. No space. I know there a middle seat. You scared of me something? Sorry. You ain't too kind. You unkind people meet unkindness themselves. You best be careful out there. Are you threatening us? No. You all got me wrong. Sorry, I'm just cold and tired. It's all. Yeah, thanks. मेरे को मेरा पिज़्ज़ा खान दे asshole. Eating pizzas. क्या था ये? Burp. Hey, holy, that was good. Alright then, are you ready to hit the road? Maybe we can beat the worst snow. मैं चलाऊंगा गाड़ी. आप this order all. Why don't you drive apart on the way? I'm going to drive. You can get the key. I'm afraid of what kind of brake are you going to give me, Harp? मैं बहुत मारूंगा तेरे को. I'm afraid of fine health condition. वो पीछे अटक गया बंदा भाई. I get a first choice to bedroom. Whatever. Keys मिल गई भाई. ये क्या है? Driving slow. Don't worry. Make sure. दिल हंसना and दिल. I will drive. भाई मेरी ड्राइविंग देख के तू पागल हो जाओ अबे. And this should be it. I thought you were just gonna keep driving there. Asshole. भाई पहले भी तो मैं इस घर पे रुका था. Come on. Door was locked. Had to get key from the lock box. अच्छा ठीक है भाई. अरे टड्डी शेयर, टड्डी बियर. What a great place. I knew we could count on you. It smells so nice in here. Right, but I really need to hit the John. Take it, Mike. While I'm going, can you put this grocery away? Should be enough place in the fridge. Sure. मैं पहले अपना सामान रख के आऊँगा ऊपर. वो नहीं जा सकता. Great. तो अपना सामान यहाँ रखो. Refrigerator. Had to open cooler first. Hiya. फेंक दिया मैंने। वे आर सॉरी अबाउट दैट हब। Long drive and all that pizza really did a number on, no worry. Well, all thanks for handling that up. Anyway, this place looks crazy nice. It's got that rustic charm you just don't see anymore. Yeah, it's cute. For sure, I really need to pay our back. Yeah, you can add. I started packing our bags. Thanks. Is that a washroom? Yep. The smell alone told me pizza had really done a number on a mic. अरे समझ गए भाई, इतना पिज्जा खा लिया। Okay, hi, we checked in. क्या मेरे को एक और जंप स्केयर आने वाला है? हाथ धो लो भाई, हाथ धो लो, वरना फिर कमेंट आ जाएगा हाथ नहीं धोए। Hey, you feel better after the drive? Much better now. So ready to check out the place? Sounds good to me. After you. That's sleepy. अबे हटना, मुंह के सामने ही खड़ा हो गया। Oh, hey, you are here. Oopsie daisy, I didn't mean to do. Welcome to my new home, sweet home. What a lovely young couple pie. यार ये गेम jump scare दे रही है, what the fuck? No, we are not a couple. You didn't have to sell it that hard, Harp. It was just answering the question. He didn't ask the question, Sydney. He made a settlement and you... Never mind. Oopsie daisy, silly me. Didn't mean to cause you stir with you. We didn't expect anyone to be here. I was out looking for my cattle and I remember that TV has been out the freezer here. Just so I will stop and try to get in work again since the last few folks left a bad word for it. Yeah, you know they are say treat your guests like a family. My family doesn't go without TV. Speaking of that, no, you have folks here. Let me show you around center. It'd be a bad honor if we didn't give you a grand tour. अबे धक्का देके ही भाई, क्रीपी आउट भाई। अबे आ रहा हूँ भाई। Nothing to worry about, Donnie. It's just the water heater and some old switch up. It's ever stop working. Just hit the press at the bottom. The pilot light will fire right up, and you will back to the business. Yeah, ये वाला. Okay. Got it, sir. Yes, sir. What deal with that room over there? Nothing you two need to concern yourself with. I can't use this basement as storage and don't need to space the really out get you upstairs. Okay, well, it was just a curious. Let's move on. Next, just to guess. I couldn't open the door. अरे मैंने नहीं खोला, चलना. Did I mention? Well, no, maybe I would keep. Okay. The feel about this house, well, told me his mother died down there. Some guests have reported hearing voice at the night and some suffering from around him. Not to scare your folks, but it could be one of you really stepped down there. Hey, this look your face. Come now, I just keep joking. At this one, creepy being at 6 out of 10. Thanks for showing around. चलो निकलो यहाँ से. निकलो. By the way, what's the name of the booking? I'm not getting old. It's Sydney. Ah, Sydney. That's right. A pretty name for a pretty girl. ये एक मिनट, इसका ही घर था, इसने ही बुक ली थी. Just me, or that's super weird. Very weird. Anyway, let's go see if there's anything good on the TV. Actually, I'm going to take a quick shower. Cool, I find something to watch while you're in there. Let me know if you feel like you are under the waterfall. What a weird guy. मैं तो भाई नहीं यहाँ करूँगा शावर बॉल, क्या कर लेगा अब। आई वाज नीड टू टेकिंग शावर अब। ओके टेकिंग शावर। वॉश इट अप। इतना गंदा तो मैं नहीं रगड़ रहा होता, बट ठीक है। नहा भी लिया, हमें पता भी नहीं होगा। ओके वो किधर रह गई है? बंद करो पहले तो इसे, शोर ही मचा रखा है। हाँ, checking out found this fishing rod. Not now. Now that you mentioned, that would be a pretty epic addition on the trip. I don't know, it's cold out there. Come on, Hop. What would make this trip more epic? The catching or a frick dinner? I guess it could be fun. Hell yeah, follow me. There is another rod in the shed, so we can both give. किधर? Oh, यही है. Oh snap! I saw a killer reservoir for a big crab. We need to catch their crab. Challenge. Okay. Well, the first thing first, you need to write bait crab about this bait information board. But I will ready get a crab bait and let's get a creek. Okay. Crab. Crab. इनमें से कुछ भी नहीं है। ये रहा गोल्डन डर्क, स्वीट कॉर्न, ये रहा ना। स्वीट कॉर्न चाहिए क्रैब के लिए, मैंने पढ़ा नहीं था पहले। ओके बैक हो भाई। Wait for the machli and we going to you girl keep. That's good catch up. Let's stay focused on catching crab right now. पता नहीं कब आएगा crab. Fishing. Common crab, keep. There's no one crab, always more. डब्बा फेंक दिया। Keep. Let's do it. मैं अपनी फ्लैश लाइट लेना चाहूँगा, मैंने यहीं कहीं फेंकी होगी। जब Well, I'm cleaning the fish. Do you mind preparing the marinade? Just take a bowl, throw in ginger paste, cooking oil, black pepper, salt, and paprika yogurt. Salt, ginger, बेटा डालनी थी। Salt, what is this? Paprika, olive oil. Where is oil? Yogurt, dahi. अब इसका क्या करना है? Do you mind throw at the fish and the marinade? That is ठीक है, क्या करना है? didn't go there. Marinate. Okay. Veggies. Now you could add the veggies. I did need to go 30 minutes at 400. Finally, we are doing. मेरे को दूध पीना है. It's going to taste amazing. Which will cook how about to play some board game? I saw. Which one? Just grab whatever catch. I can't see what you pick. Okay, let's me see. ये थोड़ा creepy out कर रहा है but. Okay. Tambola Tower. I mean tower stack basically. Tower stack, nice choice up. It's been ages since I play. It's okay, let's see how steady those ends are. Creepy लग रहा है मेरे को तो ये. Whenever you're ready, hop, start game. Hold A and D. Drag. क्या समझा नहीं है क्या करना है. जैसे मेरे को ये निकालना है. ओके. Damn, Harp, do you practice this in your free time? I'm on a roll here. Yo, just like the old days, I'm still terrible at this. You wanna try again? I think sure. Take it right, take that. That's what's fun game. Harp did it really well. Thanks, Mike. Alright, the crab shoot is just let's grab some plate. I'm starving. क्या यहाँ लगानी है क्या? Ching show about to come. You want to watch serial late? Sure. मैंने अपनी प्लेट गिरा दी थी, वो बात अलग है. इसके चक्कर में कि मैं इसके लिए भी रख रहा हूँ. अब शिफ्ट की इतनी बार नहीं दबाता मैं, बट ठीक है.
Welcome back to Cooking with Jeffrey. I'm
अबे हाँ,
Jeffrey.
जेफरी
And
ने पहले
today
वो
we
कुछ
will be
पकाया था.
cooking asparagus chocolate cake with the spoomer in the salt bath. We can start making the
I was done with
chocolate
it.
and take a couple cocoa
Ah, there was some
beans.
damn fine food. Twice as good since we caught the fish
Yes, the
ourselves.
cocoa beans need
It was really good. We make a great team
blended
up.
into the sauce.
Hey,
A
anyways,
little
I need to
bit of
check
vinegar.
the email really quick.
Gotta
Left my
keep
laptop
that
outside.
fancy flavor in there.
No, I'm sorry. It not work. I'm just waiting for shipment details for my new DS. I'll write back. All right.
Stir fry this in a pan with
Okay.
Irish tofu. I'm
Ah.
not gonna lie.
अरे shut
This
the
is
fuck
gonna
up.
taste like-
भाई चुप. चलो भाई साफ करते हैं dishes. Fuck you. मेरे को ये बहुत creepy लग रहा है. I don't know why. Okay, dishing the washes. Dishing the washes कह रहा हूँ मैं. देख रहे हो, creepy as all my sound. Okay, now what? I think there's someone under my bed right now. Can you come upstairs? हाँ? इसके बेड पे क्या है? Walk slow. डरा दिया. What the hell? You're lucky I didn't break your nose. Hey, good luck when my half charm, half don't mess with them. I totally got you. That was fun, wasn't it? It's not cool. Come on, it was just a joke. You wanna go for the next round? What about a game of hide and seek? Okay, whatever you stay, Sydney Harp. Alright, you're on countdown then. बेसमेंट चलो I changed the track. I change. अबे ये माइक अब भी काम कर रहा है इस गेम में. Got it. Got you. That was the challenge. I figured you were good at this since I found you in the sea. Alright, my turn to hide now. You better close your eyes and start counting. अबे यार. Why should I close my eyes भाई? मैं तो full cheater हूँ भाई. One Mississippi. चलो भाई चले अब हम. ओके खोल नहीं सकते हम. Gotcha. Hang on up, I think here's something upstairs. Fool me once, shame on you, fool me twice. No kidding Sydney, I really heard something. I swear on my life I heard something. I see the attic access door in here. Okay. Are you going to check it out? Alright. You tell me, why don't you go? I think shoulder are too bored. Okay. Seriously, Sydney, I don't think I would. Okay, use that step stool and then climb it up. अच्छी जगह है ऐसे तो. अच्छा कैट है. ओके कैट है भाई. हल्का सा डर तो लगता ही है. आजा आजा. Just a cat. Yeah, okay, it just oh that's a relief. I was worried there for a minute. Oh yeah, maybe we can give her a crap after find her again. Tool shed in a backyard. अच्छा वहाँ ओके. बैकयार्ड तो वहाँ है ना. हाँ पता है. है तो इधर ही है. वो रहा ना. इधर ही आ रही है. You gonna catch me? Aha, there you are. Damn, happy it took me a while to figure out the last house. I think all doing well. My turn. Close those prisoners. I'm getting tired. Look, I will hide house. We will head back in anyway. You find me, we will go to bed. मैं तो नहीं कर रहा. चल कर लेता हूँ यार. छोड़ना भाई. You're not here. I'm coming. इधर तो नहीं है गॉचिच. डरा दिया. What's going on? What happened? Well, hey there. Well, you're. Why the hell are you in there? I'm fixing the faults and. Miss, this is my house. I don't need check every time I fix something. I see you and fixed fault with the hammer before. You have fixed manufacture yourself, young man. Didn't think so. I don't imagine you don't know what tools you need. Just got a couple minutes ago. If you heard anything before that message, that old little remember. Look. You asking me to leave, miss? No rickshaw being importantly. We rented this house and we will have to ourselves. We don't really want to call law enforcement. No cops would worry, son. You think they are going arrest for the homeowner to fix their You know what? If you folks don't like me fixing the first, I will leave it to you. भाई डराया है इस बंदे ने असोल ने. Let me lock the door. Okay, go. After locking the door, we debated what to do. We argued that there was something off about Rick from the start. It seemed like he enjoyed making excuses to come over unannounced. In the end, we decided Rick was weird but probably harmless. We attribute his behavior to extreme lack of social awareness. Look, we already drove all the way out here. Let's just enjoy ourselves, Mike said. But by the time I was feeling really tired, I decided to get some rest. Yeah, rest is important. 11:39 p.m. Ooh. Up, are you still awake? Hard to sleep when someone knocking the door. Do you mind if come in? I'd like to talk about something. मैंने इसको कोई अलाउंस नहीं दी, पहले गेट खुला रखो. The storm is starting to get real bad. I can't hardly see the truck in the drive. What the day, huh? This wasn't expected how I thought our gateway was going to Sydney. I know, right? Can you believe that guy? He just keep wandering around the house like on the place. He does on the. You know exactly what I mean, Sydney. He shouldn't just bark in the place whatever he wants. We rented the damn house. I mean, the guy probably harmless, but I'm frustrated. Me too. क्या बैठ ही गया? Why don't you come sit by me, Sydney? चलो भाई बैठ जाते हैं, कोई बात नहीं. आप, you know, I missed this. Us just talking, it being long. You know, you don't have to sleep alone tonight if you don't want to. सही में seriously भाई, I can sleep alone. फिर ये कुछ बोलेगा. You act like you don't remember our trip to Oregon. I remember it pretty awkward. Oh yeah, do tell. I remember it pretty awkward. I didn't start out at work though. Mike, we had a lot of drink. Things happen. That sure did. I am hoping maybe they can happen. Oh Mike, I don't know what to say. Just let me worry about the details, Sydney. I don't think. हाँ ये कोई good time नहीं है.
Guys, I think I'm about 70 miles away from Woodbury and my stinking tire just blew out. It's snowing and...
But the timing up, but I guess we can't leave Nora standard. Let me dress and make it answer. No, we can't. Better get ready. No, Sydney, you stay here and get some sleep. There is no sense in both of freezing your asses off. Sure, yeah, I'm sure you are in pajamas and still dressed. You just settle in and I will go up. That's real nice, Mike. I always like doing nice things for you, Sydney. This is a creeping out behavior. Well, finish talking about it later. Okay, get some food and rest. Sure. मैं लॉक करके आना चाहता हूँ डोर. ये बहुत क्रीपी आउट कर रहा है मेरे को, बहुत ज़्यादा. Seriously, बहुत ज़्यादा creepy out. Hey, why don't you get some rest while I'm going? Are you sure it's safe driving this saddle? Don't worry, I'll drive in worse. Besides, Nora probably freaking out more than right now. Look, make sure you take care of us, or I'll lock the door. Son Lakshmana, can you blame me? But for about you out a hug, it means just in a case you are asleep when I get back. It can't need one right now. Sweet dreams, get some sleep, Sydney. Drive safe, Mike. Okay, पहले हमें ये करना था. Okay, locking the door. Everything just keep quiet and shutting down. And now I can sleep. I told myself things would get better if I could just get some rest. Nora always knew how to cheer me up, and I needed it more by the minute. With her arrival soon, I decided to rest the meantime. Okay, 12:39 a.m. कौन आ गया वो? आ रहा हूँ. Someone was on a front door. वेट अ सेकंड भाई. अरे someone outside late night was horrifying. क्या करूं? Do you have idea what time it is? Look, friend, I know it ain't idea bang the door in middle of the night, but I am a bad spot here. I was counting on a ride for someone, friend, but they are running behind. It won't hear out 2 more hours. The weather outside is getting pretty bad, and I will hoping my friend will let me come inside to warm up just until my friend gets. I'm sorry, but I can't help. Come on now, my friend. If you are recording out the blizzard, I gave you a warm place to wait outside. Bhai, sahi mein? Are you fucking kidding? You're going to let me freeze to death? Ah, seriously, you know you are a big bitch here as you were back in the pizza joint. What? You think I didn't see you, little boyfriend fishing creek? Okay, ये वो पिज्जा वाला बंदा है. Okay, get out, please leave. Get out or I'll call and cop here around. Speaking of, I don't see your fella struck out either. Fine, suit yourself. ये पक्का आने वाला है. But let me tell you something. You get what coming for you leaving me out here. Karma bitch, my friend. I'm going upside. Maski. The man door seemed compared how tired I was. पहले प्रिपेयर कर रखा है. कोई आया सबसे ऊपर भग जाओ ऊपर. मैं तो सो रहा हूँ. क्या हो गया? बस ठीक है. I just call for help. Yeah, he help. ओके, हम यहाँ पे हैं. वी आर हाइड राइट नाउ. कोई तो है नीचे. Open the door, miss. It's me. What the hell going on here? Oh, thank God you are here. Explain the situation. Yeah, I come as quickly as I could. I would worry about him anymore. Alright. Still didn't feel safe. Open the door. By the way, where your friend? The guy who with Mike, he went to pick another friend. So you are alone right now, huh? Yeah, but my friend will be back soon. You are also creeping me out. Storm like a bring out all kind of fogs. Not all them, you know where. Stay away. यार ये भी मेरे को creep out कर रहा है थोड़ा. Come back over. What do you mean? I live in Bulletin. I haven't been rental in a week. Everything okay, miss? Yeah. Awful late. The texting is you are talking to. It's my friend. They're almost here. Is that so? I'll be fine now. You sure about that? Yeah. Maybe you should stick around. Make sure everything really okay. What did you just say? Confront. This is fucking house. I will leave. You need to leave. Get out before I call the cops. I don't think so. If anyone leaving this house, it will be one of us. Okay. अरे कान दर्द कर गया. ओके, मेरे को पहले बेसमेंट में छुपना था. ओके, नेवर माइंड. फाइनली वी आर सेफ। अभी के लिए आई एम सेफ। पिछली बार आई एम नॉट सेफ। 2 माइक होने का फायदा पीएस टू फैथम में। क्या हमें एस्केप करना है? Please don't check this. I'll kick your ass right now. I'm not making any sound cause मैंने बंदी कर रखा है, so how can I? कल तारा भाई चक्क। भागो। ओके, मैं ऑलरेडी सेफ हूँ। प्लीज डोंट नो मैं यहाँ हूँ। मैं ऑलरेडी भाग गया था। ओके, गाड़ी आई नीचे। ओके, कम ऑन कम ऑन कम ऑन कम ऑन। ऑलरेडी आ चुके हैं पर्सन। वो चेक करेगा एंड आई कांट डू एनीथिंग राइट नाउ। और मेरे को शायद नीचे जाके डोर खोलना पड़ेगा। नॉट श्योर अबाउट इट। भाई उनको मैसेज तो कर दें हम। वेयर इज द अदर पर्सन? मैं नीचे जाके खोलूं कैसे? अगर जाऊं अभी तो कैसे करना है? क्या करना है? हाउ शुड? दिस इज हैप्पी एंडिंग। डरा दिया। ओह दिस इज अ हैप्पी एंडिंग भाई। बैड एंडिंग तो ऑलरेडी पहले मिल गई। I told him everything that happened after Mike had left. Rick had called the cops. The storm had quietly down by the time they arrived. And of course the man was nowhere to be seen. And our drive back, the whole night played over and over in my head. We think that the man we saw secretly live in that cabin, it wasn't being used as planned on robbing us during our stay, but cops seem to think that there no more intent behind this man action aside from just robbing us. Rick asked me what the man looked like, and after that he didn't ask any more questions. We think he knew more than he was letting on. But in the end he gave us a full refund. Okay, full refund मिल गया. So this is the story of Fears to Fathom Woodburg Gateway game. So okay, समझ गए. सो ये वीडियो यहीं तक थी एंड नेक्स्ट वीडियो तक के लिए होप यू टिल गाइज हैव अ सेफ एंड स्टे ट्यून, हैव अ सेफ लाइफ एंड सायोनारा।